How much time do we have, Max? Signing off from India. Final call, guys. Bye. One of them came charging at me and then हमें गाड़ी नहीं मिल रही है. What's happened? गलत गाड़ी? What's going on? Believe it or not, I'm avoiding street food. I have gifts for all of you also. आ गई चमक बेरा. What's going on? Look, I've met my friends. Say hi. Where are we going? Colombo. Let's go. Whether you need anything or not, we have to always stop at duty free कि बस duty free इसलिए बना है कि आपके पास वक्त हो या ना हो, खर्चा ज़रूर करना पड़ेगा आपको. So now I've been looking for the right concealer. This is the one I'm looking for right now. So let me see. How much time do we have, Max? We have time. गलती कर दी इन्होंने बोल के that we have time. तो चलिए let's now find the right concealer. आ गई चमक बेरा. Better? This the one that we're going with? Thank you. Let's go, Colombo. Signing off from India. See you in Sri Lanka. I remember last time Sri Lanka आई थी, I think it was around the time where IFA was going on in Sri Lanka. अभी घर से निकलने के पहले even Uncle told me that वो भी उसी IFA में थे. I remember he was there. It's weird how we did spend time then, but now we're married. But it's so great to be back. यहाँ में मुझे याद है मैं थोड़ा कहीं दूर गई थी to an elephant sanctuary and or a reserve kind of thing. And I had a funny story. एक छोटे से एलिफेंट को इतनी बुरी सी दूध की बॉटल में मैंने दूध पिलाया था. उसके बाद while they were going for a bath into the river, one of them came charging at me and then the person was taking care of the elephants. It's like don't worry, it's called an elephant's memory क्योंकि कभी किसी को भूलते नहीं है. And then they suddenly took his trunk and put it on my head. I was just like, oh okay, we're talking about being friends. So yeah, strange places, strange things happen, cute things happen. Okay, we spent a lot of time in the hotel room. कल अंदर चले जाओ तो ऐसे लगता है कि बाहर निकलने का मन नहीं करता. बाहर आओ तो ऐसे लगता है अंदर जाने का वापस मन नहीं करता है होटल में. मैं trying to go somewhere. हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Somebody's given the recommendation. Apparently you get great crockery in Sri Lanka. I'm very fond of going and looking at art, local food, local street shopping. We start with the crockery. और मुझे चाय भी बहुत पसंद है और यहाँ पे चाय बहुत अच्छी नहीं है. At some point I'll be buying a lot of tea और आप देखिए हमें गाड़ी नहीं मिल रही है. What's happened? गलत गाड़ी? Not picking up the phone, so that's fine. We'll also try some local transportation to go to this place. अगर आप स्निग्धा के भरोसे रहे शायद हम नहीं पहुँचेंगे. स्निग्धा को मैंने काम पे लगाया यहाँ पे. गलत गाड़ी में वो लेके गई बिना फ़ोन किए बिना कुछ किए. मुझे गाड़ी मिल गई है गाइस. We're here. This is Paradise Road. I know there's a beautiful cafe. जो हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे. Look at how beautiful this is. छोटा सा कुछ अपने घर को renovate करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. So I like picking up things on my travels all over the world actually. My mom can also vouch for this. पहले मैं सब कुछ लूँगी, होल्ड पे रखूँगी, डिसाइड करूँगी, घर जाके देखूँगी इतना खर्चा करना है नहीं करना. अभी नोटबुक पे करूँगी कि हाँ करें ना करें. उसके बाद वापस आके the things I really think of I come and buy. So I'm a very 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 careful shopper and this is something that all of you should learn from me. Let's go inside. Hi. Okay. What time do you close?
We are closing at 7.
Oh, please take a look at the time. As always, there is a problem. 15 minutes. Let's hurry up. Oh, there's a cafe here. These.
Like yes. So you see the black with the white border or the
These.
striped ones. No, on top. Yeah. The checker, the black. Yes. The one you just open.
That's kapre ka. That's a full tablecloth.
That must be a mat, no?
No, I think that's a napkin. These are the mats, na? These are the kinds you like. This one is nice.
This is not the one. This is not the one. They might want mats of similar kind.
You have mat. You want the kapre ka mat like this.
Correct.
You have mats, table mats. This is a table mat. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the table mat. I thought it was exploring more and more. अंदर घुसने के पहले I can smell some yummy food. Let's go and see क्या पक रहा है यहाँ. कल shoot है. Though I don't think I can be eating so much bread. I will avoid it. Believe it or not, I'm avoiding street food. The one who loves street food the most. और अभी हम जाते हैं गैलरी के अंदर, वहाँ पे भी कैफे है, देखते हैं क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना. But yeah, soaking in the city. My dad loves pineapple. उनको मतलब pineapple dessert, pineapple as a fruit, any form of pineapple. Like I could come out and buy things for people. Soha, every year my friend Soha Ali Khan gives me a diary. This is such a beautiful diary. No year, but every day of the year. So I'm gonna take one for myself, one for her. And knots and crosses. Burik and मैं दोनों knots and crosses खेलते हैं और आप भी champion हो, मैं champion हूँ. Come on, you and I, we play a game of knots and crosses. Let's see it. Also, I want to say something to all of you. Love. नाशपाती खाएंगे आप? कच्ची नहीं, ये तो सच्ची भी नहीं है. It's a candle, guys. It's a candle. So nice. You know, actually, there's a place in Kerala in Kochi, and it's called Kochi, which is similar to this, where you get art and cafes. This is probably like my favorite kind of place to go to. Than this, like art cafes. Wow, so beautiful. The more you explore, the more beautiful it gets. Guys, please, let's end this day with a candlelight dinner. आइए मेरे साथ date पर. But more importantly, the one in Sri Lanka, it's been so beautiful. Exploring, देखना, Colombo. और घूमने का मन है तो रहिए मेरे साथ because it's another day, another way of exploring more and more. But yeah, I'm very excited to be here. It is really a fantastic vibe. I'll see you on the other side. Another way of starting your day. That is the port side. Isn't that what it's called? Help me if I've got the name wrong. Please, in your comments, correct me if I've got the name wrong. बहुत बदल गया है Colombo from the last time that we were here. Very late breakfast after my training, but it also helps in IF, which is intermittent fasting. मैं कभी-कभी करती हूँ. I do long spells of intermittent fasting and then I suddenly take a break depending on my schedule. But when I'm away from home and traveling, I always try and keep the food less, the food light, क्योंकि आप लोगों को पता नहीं है कि कौन सी environment में बना है, कितना तेल, कितना घी. I don't know. I was going to say something else, but I started talking about food again. But yeah, I love passion fruit and watermelon. दोनों मिल गए हैं यहाँ पे. But time to go back to shop a little bit. हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि अभी हम जा रहे हैं कोलंबो में. कहाँ जा रहे हैं हमको नहीं पता. ओडेल is a really nice place, right? Let's go to Odell. जब मैं यहाँ पहले आती थी तो बहुत एक बिल्डिंग में, बहुत पुरानी सी बिल्डिंग में ओडेल होता था. From what I hear, it's right next to the mall, and the mall is right here, मतलब walking distance. We're at the Shangri-La. So from here it's what?
Just outside.
Okay, just outside जाके देखते हैं. Oh, this is where it is.
Yeah.
ओह, ये तो नाइंसाफी हो गई. 2 दिन से पता ही नहीं था कि ये दरवाजा मॉल की तरफ जाता है. पहले पता होता तो वहाँ चले जाते. I used to like the पुराना building, you know, that little old structure in which it was built. I can't believe how much it's changed. Life, time, visualization. I mean, all of it. And looks pretty high street now. So कुछ मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा. I'm not in the mood right now. वो conversion करते करते ही समझ नहीं आता. ये 5,000 श्रीलंकन तो फिर ये मेरा तो उसमें ही कैलकुलेटर निकालने का दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. I overshot as expected. मैंने कहा था I'm a budget shopper, but no, really for a Sri Lankan brand. I've got something for every member of my family except me. Yeah, I have gifts for all of you also. अगर आप कमेंट्स में बताएंगे कि आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है क्या नहीं. No such thing iPhones and expensive cars. Not gonna happen. I can give you the gift of love. Baki, happy shopping. Oh wow. What's it called? Mlesna. Yeah, okay. We're shopping. I mean, अगर आप श्रीलंका में हैं और आप चाय नहीं करेंगे तो something is seriously wrong. It's very tempting to look at everything. Look at this packaging. It's so nice. Ginger tea. I think I'm almost there. In more than anything else, I feel like packaging boxes feel cute. Eh? The last thing I do at night before going to sleep is drink chamomile tea. As बहुत ज़्यादा सोने की तैयारी हो रही है. And yes, staying healthy, green tea, buying that as well. So any other tea you recommend?
Any other?
Yeah. That's it?
Black tea?
Black tea, no, she's saying black tea. उनको भी लग रहा है कि उठने की ज़रूरत है. You think I need black tea? Which tea do you think I drink?
Herbal.
Herbal. Oh, I look like I drink herbal tea. गलत जवाब. Anyway, अगर आपको भी चाय उतनी पसंद है जितनी मुझे पसंद है, write in comments, guys. This is a 50-year-old brand?
Yeah.
Wow. And what is this outfit called? What you're wearing?
This candy. Candy.
Candian. It's beautiful. Now you know which kind of tea I drink. I also drink black tea, but not buying it from here because budget में भी रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. But tell me in comments which kind. पहले बताइए आप चाय पीते हैं कि नहीं, और दूसरा बताइए आप किस तरह की चाय पीते हैं. क्योंकि चाय पीने के कितने अलग तरीके हैं, कितने अलग किस्मों की चाय मिलती है हर जगह. And let me know. Final call, guys. Bye. This is me signing off from Sri Lanka. I wish Mumbai. I'm going to sign off. I'm very excited to see my children right now. So I'm going to run out of here. Bye. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Ha, ha, ha.